Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to reset password in Binance app. For that, you need to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to log in into your account by providing your login credentials. Then on the home page, you need to tap on the Binance icon in the top and select this section where you will be able to see your UID as well as your name. Now among the given options, select the securities option and here you will be able to see the password option. So you need to tap on password and then it will show you this pop-up that would say the account will be restricted. So in order to protect your account, the withdrawals, P2P, selling and the payment services will be disabled for 24 hours after you change your password. So this is the repercussion that you need to face if you reset your password. So you need to press continue over here. Now it will ask you to provide the new password, so you just have to type the new password that you want to set. Then you just have to confirm your password. After that you need to press confirm. On the next page, you will be able to see a section where they will say that an email was sent on your registered email address with a security code. So you just have to copy that code from here and then come back to your Binance app, paste the code in that section and press submit. This way you will be able to reset your password in Binance. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.